I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to unlink a bank account in Magento, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your Magento admin panel. Access your Magento backend by entering your admin credentials. This is where you'll manage all your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. In the left sidebar, go to Stores and then click on Configuration. Under Sales, select Payment Methods to view all your payment options. Step 3. Locate the bank account. Scroll down to find the bank account you want to unlink. This will typically be listed under the payment method you previously set up. Step 4. Disable the bank account. Click on the bank account settings and toggle the enabled option to No. This action will unlink the account from your store. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, don't forget to click the Save Config button at the top right corner to apply the changes. If you miss this step, the account will remain linked. I hope this guide helps you unlink your bank account easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.